How do I turn off my old ADT alarm system without the code?
Hello there. We understand that you might have an old ADT alarm system, and you've somehow lost or forgotten the security code. No need to worry. In this video, we will guide you through the process of turning off your old ADT alarm system without using a code.
What will you need?
To perform this task, you will need access to the main alarm panel. This is typically a metal box that contains the main components of the alarm system, a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool. This will be used to open the panel. Please note, physically tampering with your security system should be your last resort. If you have access to ADT's customer service, it's always better to get assistance from professionals.
Locating the main alarm panel.
First, you need to locate the main alarm panel for your ADT system. This is typically installed in a utility room, garage, or basement. Remember, it's usually a metal box mounted to a wall, and it houses the system's main components, including the battery and system motherboard.
Opening the alarm panel.
Once you've located the main alarm panel, 1. Use your flathead screwdriver or another tool to unscrew the panel box. 2. Carefully open the box to reveal the system's components.
Disconnecting the system.
Inside the alarm panel, 1. Identify the system's backup battery and disconnect it. This is typically a rectangular black or gray object. 2. Next, look for the system's power supply wire. This is usually red and black and comes directly from a plug-in transformer. Unplug it to completely disconnect the system's power. Important. Do this step carefully to avoid causing any damage to the system or risk electrical shock.
Resetting the system, optional.
In some cases, you might want to reset the system rather than completely disabling it. If you wish to reset it, 1. After you've disconnected both the battery and the power supply, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the system to fully power down. 2. Then, reconnect the power supply followed by the backup battery. Please note, this will only reset the system. It will not provide you with the original code. To obtain the code, you will need to contact ADT's customer service. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off your old ADT alarm system without using a code. Please remember that tampering with your security system should be done cautiously and responsibly. If possible, contact a professional for assistance. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe and take care.